Hello, tea lovers. Welcome back to Mindful Information. And today, we're brewing up some knowledge about the incredible world of ginger tea. So, if you're curious about what happens when you incorporate ginger tea into your daily routine, stick around and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Before we dive into the benefits of ginger tea, let's start with a brief introduction to ginger itself. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, is a flowering plant that has been prized for its culinary and medicinal properties for centuries. It is native to Southeast Asia but is now cultivated in various parts of the world. Ginger is a rhizome, which is an underground stem that grows horizontally and produces shoots and roots. Ginger is renowned for its unique flavor and aroma. It has a mildly spicy and pungent taste, often described as warming to the palate. The aroma is fragrant and slightly citrusy. Now, let's explore the remarkable benefits of ginger tea. Digestive Aid. One of the most well-known benefits of ginger tea is its ability to soothe digestive discomfort. It can help alleviate nausea, reduce bloating, and promote healthy digestion. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols. Regular consumption of ginger tea may help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for conditions like arthritis. Immune boosting. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that can strengthen your immune system, helping you ward off illnesses and stay healthier. Pain relief. For those dealing with headaches or muscle soreness, ginger tea may offer relief. It has natural pain-relieving properties that can ease discomfort. Stress reduction. The warm and soothing nature of ginger tea can have a calming effect on your mind. It may help reduce stress and anxiety, making it a perfect bedtime ritual. Weight management. If you're on a journey to shed a few pounds, ginger tea can assist in weight management by increasing metabolism and aiding in the feeling of fullness. Now we dive into some of ginger medical uses. Medicinal uses. Ginger has a long history of use in traditional medicine systems, including Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. It is known for its potential health benefits, such as aiding digestion, reducing inflammation, and alleviating nausea. Fresh ginger root is beige or pale yellow with a brownish skin. Inside, it is juicy and fibrous, and it can be grated, sliced, or minced for culinary and medicinal purposes. There are varieties of ginger available. Ginger varieties. There are several varieties of ginger, with varying levels of spiciness and aroma. The most commonly used types include fresh ginger, dried ginger, and ground ginger. Each form has its unique culinary applications. Now that you're excited about ginger tea's benefits, let's learn how to make it at home. To make ginger tea, all you need is fresh ginger, hot water, and optionally, some honey or lemon for added flavor. Remember to let the ginger steep for at least 5 to 10 minutes to extract all those wonderful flavors and healthful compounds. Adjust the ingredients to suit your taste. In conclusion, ginger tea isn't just a delicious and comforting beverage, it's a wellness elixir packed with numerous health benefits. Whether you're sipping it for digestion, immunity, or simply relaxation, ginger tea can make a positive impact on your life. Thank you for joining me on this ginger tea journey today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tea enthusiasts. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Until next time, stay warm, stay healthy, and keep sipping on that ginger tea.